So, I'm joshing with one of the guys who's working on the site. Yeah, you know me. I never give no names or nothing. But if you check out my information, you will find that it's factual, actual, and factual. You see what I'm saying? So I'm looking at one of these poles, and it's one of these that pile driver is putting down, and I'm like, whoa, you're going down 65 feet, because I do a series on one Vanderbilt, which is the skyscraper that's going to be second to only that, which is the Freedom Tower. And the basement is what, 50 feet, 56 feet? And so I assume that he's just driving down that 60 feet because you're right next to the Hudson River and everything, the Bay of New York. And it's going to be boggy. It's, all kind of silt is built up and stuff. The ocean probably had this area at one time, all of this, except you see that's going up a little hill. So all of this down here, all of that used to be peat bog, So I'm like 65 feet. He's like, no, I'm going down 117. This is only the first piece. Yeah. So this is going to be the shed for the SIR trains to repair, like I said, and keep them in good shape. So that's what they have to do. So they drive them down to that level, and they're leveling them off for the floor. And if you look at my other videos on the SIR, the Staten Island Railroad, you'll see where they were preparing this area at one time. Like that's a coffer right there. Yeah. So he's going down 117 feet. And if you look at each one of those columns, you see that they are measured and in some cases labeled. And all of that is going to be underground. All of that is necessary for the floor of the shed. There won't be a basement to this building. That's why they're driving that down, you see. So for the floor, for the cement, it have to be cement and steel plates, you see, to make up that floor. Snowed last night for the first time, so that's why you see all that water. But if you look at the other videos that I did, you'll see more than water. You'll see, very interesting. KOG KOG. Take a look at the Verrazano here on Staten Island. SIR R44 main ingredients. As that pile driver makes short work of those, what's that, 65, each one of those are 65 feet. And you see that guy is marking them. And we getting a big cat in place. Or maybe we'll see a little movement if my train don't come and interrupt that fun. Very large container ship going under the Verrazano. Hapag Lloyd. That's what it says on that baby. I didn't check it in for you though. Loaded, laden with nothing but containers. That one's going out, baby. That one's going out. Piece of a United States craftsmanship. Possibly. It could be anything. You know, we do more import than anything. Shit. Probably a couple of cavemen down there in that peat bog. That's all peat. Yeah. Probably find you a caveman if you dig down there. Or, yeah, modern man. That's about 5 minutes it takes to drive that baby down. 5-6 minutes. So one's down and they're gonna couple this one to that one and drive it down. Got 117. Oh no, that's a new one. It's a new one. That baby going faster, so if you want to put that sucker down there faster, you could.